What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I see all of the comments, right? I say this all the time. I feel like I start my videos a lot of times where I'm like, I see y'all comments. Y'all know. Everybody knows that I see the comments. But the reason why I bring this up is because I feel like I can't wait, and it may take a while to prove you guys wrong on XRP. Now, I don't think anybody will ever fully admit, especially if you're a hardcore hater on XRP, you ever fully admit if you are wrong. Because what you always say is you'll go to higher and higher prices and how this is supposed to get to 10,000 or it's supposed to get to 30,000. But if it does only go to 100 or 120 or $200 per coin or something like that, you're still going to say that I was wrong, even though there are many of millionaires that are made that are out there. Um, I just want to put out here, like, I can't wait until we get to a chance to prove you guys wrong. And I have no say in what happens with partnerships. I have no say in what happens everywhere else. Um, but I do have a say of what I invest my money into, and nobody's going to tell me otherwise, right? It's my money, and however I want to invest it is how I'm going to invest it. The only person that has a say in what I invest into is my wife, right? If she tells me that I don't need to invest any more money because, I'm losing money or something like that, then that's who I listen to, right? But myself is like, I'm the person that is choosing these investments because I believe in them. I invested in $52,000 into XRP because I believe in it. Right. Same thing goes for Jasmy Coin. Same thing goes for CRO. I have a firm belief that we are going to see success, major success in all of these plays there, especially XRP. So I cannot wait. I cannot wait to prove all of the haters, the naysayers, um uh the people that just doubt everything, right? That maybe even just doubt cryptocurrency. I can't wait to prove you guys wrong. But you know what? I'm not going to feel great about rubbing it in because my job on here is not to just rub it in and go, hey, I told you so, I told you so, even though I probably will do that. My, my job is more or less to teach you guys and tell you guys why I believe in this play. And it's not essentially to tell you you need to invest into this. It's more or less to tell you that you need to have high conviction in some of the investments that you are in. It doesn't mean that you have to kind of push down or stomp on someone's dreams of whatever they want to invest into. You can say, I don't believe in this, and then move on. But you don't have to say XRP is never going anywhere. It sucks. You suck, and every investment that you make sucks. That's kind of hurtful to not only me, but it's hurtful to a lot of other people that are out there. When you're just talking to someone in public, would you go, they say, oh, I invested into Amazon, would you be that person to go, Amazon sold like 2000? Like, you invest into that then, and now you make a lot of money, and then you get out of it. Like, you wouldn't just talk down someone's play. And if you do, you're a horrible person, right? Because they make their investments because they believe in those investments. Let them be. Let them do what they're doing. If they make a mistake, then they learn from those mistakes. That's how the world works. You're free and entitled to make your own opinion, but know that it gets you nothing, right? It costs nothing to be nice to people. It costs nothing also to be mean to people, but it could cost you your job. It could cost you so many other things if you are mean to those people as well. So I don't know. You do whatever you want to do, but I know that I see the comments and I kind of can't wait to just have that quick moment to say, I told you it was going to move, right? Because I said the same thing about Jasmy Coin. I said Jasmy Coin's going to make a move, and a lot of people were like, it's not even going to get back to a penny. Well, it's at 2 cents. It went to 3. It went to 4 cents. Where are those people now? They're not here, right? They came back for a brief moment when Jasmy Coin went down to 1.5 cents, but then those people are also gone again, right? They made a second exit from this building. So, anyways, Guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out my link for Margex, my link for Trade Assist down below. Both of those links are at the top of the description. You'll be able to use Margex for leverage trading. Trade Assist will be used for an indicator purposes, and you'll be able to do so much with that as well. But anyways, XRP currently stands at 59 cents. It's always been between this level of like 40 to 60. It even got to 70 cents, but it's been between those levels. The only rare moment that we've seen it away from that is when XRP was labeled as not a security. It jumped up to 95 cents, but then went back down to 50 cents when you had all the appeal situation that's happening and whether they could appeal it, and also still factoring in that that Ripple was still being sued or still within litigation with the SEC over sale of institutional or sales to institutions. But you're seeing it up about 1.1% over the last 7 days, only up by 0.4%. So not really much movement. It is at a $33.5 billion market cap with $1.1 billion worth of volume. $1.1 billion is amazing. You're seeing it at 1.9, almost 2 billion coins that have been traded over this day, which is fantastic. You're currently at a 3.49% volume to market cap ratio. Another thing we want to note is that the circulating supply has increased. It's currently at a 56.51% of the total supply that is out there. Now, again, we look at all history, we look at the last year, and it pretty much shows that it's only up by 17%. Compare that to Jasmine Coin or compare that to Solana, and you're going to see that those are up by hundreds of percent. XRP hasn't really moved. XRP is still, until we get that clarity, is still in litigation, even though it's not necessarily within it. They kind of have that win where they have to pay 125 million, but you still have that potential chance to appeal. And that's where it kind of gets a little bit shaky on whether people speculate whether we're going to see more of this fight. And I guarantee there's going to be people that are done if we do see more of this fight. But either way, in the long term, we're going to see a lot that happens. There's a lot of predictions that are out there stating that it could soar 10,000%, that it could soar 500, that it could soar, 100,000%. It could make huge moves to ridiculous levels. And while some people think that, it can get to a level of $10, it gets to a level of $20, it gets to a level of, $100 or $200, $300, $400, right? Even $1,000. It gets to those levels. And a lot of millionaires are made, or at least millionaire opportunities are made. Who knows what you're going to do as you see something, right? If you have 10,000 right now or 1,000 right now, and you waited for it to get to 1,000, there's a lot of room where you could have hundreds of thousands of dollars to where you could say, maybe I should accept this. I only spent $2,000 on this, or I spent $500 on this 1,000 coins, and I can end up making, $100,000 from it, $200,000. There's a lot of people that will just take it, and it's totally understandable for you to do that. You only spent $500, so if you make 5,000 or 50,000, feel free to take it. I'm not going to hate you. Nobody else will hate you. I have a short-term exit plan as well, but as we get to those other levels, I cannot wait until we get to those levels. It is going to be phenomenal, not just on a "I told you so" moment, but for the fact that I can make, by talking about this and, showing people that I believe in it, I feel as though we can make people change their lives, right? Where you were living paycheck to paycheck, and maybe now you can afford all the things you wanted to buy, or you can afford to put money to the side to now live off of that dividend income that it generates, or the regular income that it generates, whatever. You can live off of that. That would be phenomenal, wouldn't it? I mean, it would be phenomenal for me. I would love to be able to live off that, but would I be able to just accept that? No, I have to work and put forth a lot of effort so that I can gather more, not just do nothing and gather money there. I feel as though there has to be more, and more that I can teach. I can tell you there's going to be a lot more educational stuff. Not only on this channel, but I could tell you on my my second channel is probably going to have a lot more educational stuff when it comes to budgeting and net worth and all of that. I've already started it. If you want to check it out, feel free to check out my net worth video that I made on where my net worth stands right now and growing my net worth from where it is currently to $1 million. Join that journey as well. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, check out my links down below for Margex as well as Patreon, and Trade Assist. I feel as though there's going to be a lot of people that have sour grapes that are just like, I should have done something. I should have invested some money. I should have just put something to the side. And there's also going to be those people that have strong hate for it that secretly put some to the side so that they can, make some money as well, just in case I was right. So anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.